what's up guys, it's Texmer talking to you here. And today, I want to talk about the AirPods Max. Yes, these beauties of headphones. These are incredible, I just bought them, and in today's video, I want to review them in 2022. Tell you if it's worth it to buy or not, and of course, you have to let me know in the comments down below. Do you have one? What is your experience? But in today's video, I want to cover them all their faults, which are quite a lot actually for these expensive headphones, and all of their advantages, which are also a lot. So before I tell you this story, I have to tell you that my AirPods Pro got robbed. Yes, they got robbed. I don't know by who, I don't know by where and when, but it was in the gym, so I actually know where it is. But I'm quite sad, they were robbed in the gym, and RIP AirPods Pro. But I just bought the AirPods Max. I found a discount on Amazon. I was looking for headphones to replace them, and I saw these headphones for around $400, which, I mean, it's quite a good deal for the AirPods Max. They were 30% off, so it was a good deal in my opinion. I bought them, I will review them, and I will have 30 days to decide if I want to buy the AirPods Max and keep them, or I will trade them for the AirPods Pro at the end of the 30 days. Because I did not want to buy the new AirPods Pro or the new MagSafe AirPods Pro, because there are rumors saying that the AirPods Pro will be refreshed in 2022. So I decided to buy the AirPods Max, which are also being rumored to be refreshed in 2022. So what decision was that? Well, let me explain. I have tested the AirPods Pro for almost 1.5 years. I've owned them actually, and I was quite happy. So I decided that it was time to review a different pair of headphones, and I bought the black AirPods Max that you can see here. These are pretty great. I did not buy the adapter for the lightning port to headphone jack. Did not thought I needed, so I just bought the AirPods. They are pretty great. I put it out here. I have my case here, and I mean, this is a stupid case, but in today's video I will show you if it's worth it to buy these AirPods or not. I will show you the unboxing because some of you like it, so I recorded it. So of course, tons of new things about these AirPods Max, the advantages, the disadvantages, which are a lot for a pair of this price. So if I wanted to tell you that I bought this $400 AirPods Max and you should buy it, I mean, it's kind of an understatement, but you shouldn't buy it either. So it's kind of difficult to explain. These are very good AirPods, and at the end of the day, it's your decision. But no further ado, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I made the effort to buy these AirPods Max just to review for you guys in 2022. So do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you do. So no further ado, let's kick in this review. So let's start with the unboxing, because I do think that the unboxing part is the most fun for you guys. So here we are on the part of the unboxing. Yes, it seems kind of weird, but the Apple AirPods Max come in a pretty big box, as you can see here. It's actually huge, so let's just pull the tab that is right over here, I think. Yep, let's pull this tab on and get on to the unboxing of the AirPods Max. Yep, this is the weirdest box ever. It opens in parts, so just put it down. It opens. Oh god, look at it, look at it. This is what you call good box, like, you know, it opens up like this. This is fun. Yep, this is very, very good. Here they are, the AirPods Max. This is official Apple packaging. I bought these AirPods from Amazon, but these are the official from Apple actually, so these are completely fine. This is the Apple official box, pretty good. So let me put it away. And these are the AirPods Max. As you can see, the box is pretty fine and pretty great. So let's get onto the box and see what's inside, shall we? Whoa, this is like padding. You can see here, it has the padding for the AirPods. The smells good, smells good. This is the AirPods Max box. Just put that here. And these are the AirPods itself. Wow, these are heavy. These are premium feeling. These have an F to them, so they are pretty cool. Jesus, the silicone band, quite soft. These are pretty good and pretty incredible. So let's put them to the side. I don't think it comes with anything else. Just the support for the AirPods Max. paperwork and a lightning to USB-C cable, so when you have to charge them, there's no other way to charge the AirPods Max without a cable. There's no wireless charging, anything. And so that's one of the critiques to the AirPods Max. On the bra or the case, which is quite weird, so let me remove it. How do you do it? So you open up this thing here and you remove this plastic, so it's gone. But this is the AirPods in their case, stupid case that everyone talks about. It's kind of stupid, it looks like a bra, but it's the case. So let's take them off. And yes, these are the AirPods Max. They have the protection on the cushioning, which is actually pretty soft, you can see. So this is the AirPods Max. You can turn them to the side like this, and you can put it like so. They are pretty cool. So this is the AirPods Max. I will leave you with some B-roll. The AirPods Max, as you saw, they are quite a pair of headphones. They are big, they are bulky, they are heavy. As you can see, they weigh a lot, around 376 grams. And so it's quite difficult to put them in your head at the first time and try to adjust the weight difference between these and the AirPods Pro. I distinctly remember my AirPods Pro being so light that I could even feel it on my ears, while these ones are heavy, to say the least. These ones, like, if I shake my head, you can see that they bounce around. So these AirPods are quite heavy. If you had a scale and you were holding it, I wish you could, because you would feel the weight of these headphones. Of course, it comes down to the aluminium cups, which are actually quite heavy. These headphones also have this mesh band on the head, which is very, very comfortable. This mesh band, it's like one of the most comfortable things that I've ever put in my head, to say the least. It balances the weight very well. The weight, it's quite well distributed, but the only thing that I don't like about these AirPods Pro is the difference between the weight on the band and on the cups. The cups are too heavy. No, they don't put pressure on my head, but yes, they do feel the weight when you are using it. Of course, if you switch between transparency mode and, of course, noise cancellation mode, the differences are pretty clear. But, of course, the transparency mode is the one that you will probably be using more on public. And these AirPods don't create that stupid feeling that other headphones create when you are using noise cancelling mode. Of course, noise cancelling mode creates a little bit of pressure in every phone, and there are more people susceptible to it than others. Of course, I did not have any problems with my AirPods Pro, and with this experience right now for the last few hours, I haven't either. These headphones come with a lightning port on the left side of the cup, on the left cup. So this lightning is just for charging, and use your adapter to use it as hardware. But they don't support lossless, which is kind of bad, and they still have the same lag. They're not good in-ear monitors. And one other thing, they just do this. They don't fold over, like you can just fold them like this. They don't fold them like this. So to store them, you just do it like this, fold them around, get your stupid case, which is stupid. I will talk about it later. I don't like it a lot. Like, I don't really like it. Just put it like so, and you have your AirPods stored. This is the case that you carry them on and you can see that it doesn't add up and doesn't subtract volume. It just stays the same, which is stupid. The case normally, one, it adds up volume and protects the headphones a ton. Two, it gets them in a lower volume and it doesn't protect them as well. In this case doesn't do that, any of them. It doesn't diminish the volume of the headphones by sacrificing on protection, and it doesn't diminish or increase the volume and just adds a protection. No, it doesn't do either, so it's only disadvantages. I mean, it doesn't do anything. You could not use it. Maybe the only purpose of this case is just to prevent the cups between smashing each other. Don't like it a lot. And another thing that I don't like about it is the material that is made. This material is the same material that is present on the iPad Pro's keyboard, and you can see how bad it is. It's really, really bad shape, and I don't do it a lot. It's just full of smudges and oils, and it's pretty stinky. So, in my opinion, Apple should have made a better AirPods case, and that would be one of the improvements that I will see in the next AirPods Max refresh. So, the AirPods Pro are amazing headphones, and right now in 2022, I can tell that I like it a lot. But let's see in the next couple of days if I have the same feelings about it. As for walking, they work pretty great. I'm wearing them right now. Walking, they don't slide around. They are great, but for working out, they are not the best. Trust me, they are quite heavy. Right now, walking, I don't feel them. They are weak, they look great, and I do think they are pretty amazing. But for working out, they are too much. So yeah, a few days have passed and I've used my AirPods Max for quite a while and I have some thoughts, actually quite a lot. So, as you know, the AirPods Max, I was telling you, they are pretty great, but they have some flaws. One of them being working out. I don't advise you working out with these headphones. I've tried it for the last couple of days. They are too heavy, and they make you sweat a lot. When you try to work out, they kind of slip. Like, example, if you can see here, if I put it on my head and kind of like do this, like I was telling you, they move a lot. So when you are jumping, moving around, running, it's not the best. So if you like running, jumping, or do that kind of very fast moving sports, the AirPods Max are not for you. I advise you going for the Beats Pro, the ones that go on your ear. So the AirPods Max for sports are not that great. But another thing that you should have in mind about the AirPods Max is the sound. The AirPods Max cost $400 for me, but they brand new cost $599, so they are very expensive. So how do they sound like? Well, I have to tell you that the AirPods Max sound like the AirPods Pro on steroids. Like, the AirPods Pro sound amazing, and this is the best sounding headphones that I've ever put on, ever. Like, they are the best. They are not lossless supported, but they are the best. When you put them on and you just click the button, it just works. It's just incredible. It just turns on the best noise cancelling headphones ever. Like, it's pretty strange. I wish I could show you, so let me try. And as you can see, it's very, very good. Of course, the transparency mode is also amazing. It works very, very well, like you saw. And of course, this is, in my opinion, the best complete setup for ANC if you want transparency mode. So if you do really use those types of features, then the AirPods Max may be for you. But one thing that I was not talking about is the fact that the AirPods Max have these features, but the AirPods Pro also have them, and it's half the price of these headphones. So the only difference between these two phones is the AirPods Pro feature in your ear much better, and they are much lighter. They enable you to work out with them, and they are very, very comfortable to use. While these headphones, although very comfortable, they are quite heavy. If you put in your head, after a while you will feel the weight, and how can I explain to you this? Like, they feel the weight, and this band doesn't tight up on the head, but it's actually heavy. You feel the cups being heavy when moving your head around, and so the AirPods Pro are much better in that sense of way. The AirPods are incredible. These headphones are incredible. Like, if I hold you can see like they have some weight to them, and I noticed it by using this a lot. Of course, another thing that it's quite bad on the AirPods, it's sweating. They make your ears sweat a lot, and so I don't advise you using in warm weathers. Of course, if one day you want to replace the cups, you can just take it out. They have magnets and they like completely get out. Very easy, very simple. If you want to interchange them with different colors, you can do it. They are very easy, and I will have to do it a more extensive review, maybe in a month or a year. I will tell you if they formed condensation between them, because I've noticed for the last couple of days that I've sweated a lot when using it, even when walking, like you saw in the other video. I was like walking normally, and at the end of that walk, I had my ears completely soaked in sweat. So it was quite weird. Although here, where I am right now, it's quite hot, but I can feel the difference in heat when I put them on. Like, they are expensively hot. It's very weird. For the price, they should be more like breathable, but that's fine. That's an over here. Maybe I'm not used to it. I'm just used to the AirPod design, but let's see on the long run how they behave. Of course, these AirPods are actually very expensive, and if I only recommend you if you can find a new and very cheap pair. So what is the final decision then? Should I buy one? Should I not buy one in 2022? Well, it kind of depends. If you do have AirPods Pro, do not spend the money. If you do have the normal AirPods, the cheap AirPods, let's see if I can find one here. I don't have them here. Let me just get them and I will show you. If you just have the normal AirPods, like the simple normal AirPods that you just put on your ear, like this, I mean, they look pretty nice. They are very simple. If you have these AirPods, the original AirPods from 2016, then you should buy the AirPods Max. You can buy the AirPods Max. There's no harm in it. If you can find a good pair for a cheap price, like I did, then it's just fine to buy it 2022. If Apple releases another pair The changes will be probably new colors and probably a lossless, but I can find the difference between lossless and non-lossless. So if I will keep these AirPods Max, probably I will keep it because, like I was telling you, they robbed my AirPods Pro, they stole them, and so I probably won't find them again. So I have to keep these ones. They were $100 or $120 more expensive than the AirPods Pro. So right now, should you buy the AirPods Pro or the AirPods Max? In my opinion, the AirPods Pro for the 99% of people. But if it is the question of, is it worth it to buy in 2022 the AirPods Max that came out in 2020? The answer might be yes. So if you do really like them, go for it. If you do really like listening to music, these AirPods are amazing. They are the best listening headphones that I've ever used. They just surround you with an amazing song, amazing music, and you're just like vibing there. So that's what I like in these AirPods. And of course, if you are in public transports, airplanes, trains, bus, you just put them on. Just click on the click of a button. On this side, you just can't hear anything. That's transparency mode and ANC for you. So these are the AirPods Max in 2022. What are your thoughts? Do you like them? Do you don't like them? Do you think they are too big, too heavy, or do you think they are too expensive? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support and everything that you've been giving me. So thank you guys. This is Thanks for talking to you here. Bye.